A well-developed creative process is going to be a powerful source of confidence, of direction, of personal style, consistency, and even joy in painting. It allows you to explore with confidence, to build a striking composition, and to even solve problems before they happen. The most important part of my process happens before I even touch a canvas. This workshop covers how I engage with models in a photo shoot, my digital editing process, which is the most important part of my process, and how I move into painting, focusing on maintaining strong values and interesting paint application. We'll cover topics such as how to choose a solid reference, mining the masters for ideas and visual priorities, using Procreate to explore new directions and solve problems before you have them, how to compose work that draws a viewer from across the room and keeps them engaged, laying paint down with confidence and style, the importance of poetry and narrative in your work and your brand, how poetry plus technique equals your personal style, and how all of that is dictated by your process. And probably some philosophical life as an artist cheerleader stuff like art is hard and scary, and that's awesome. Most importantly, we're going to work on building a personal process that is going to support your goals, your aesthetic values, gives you confidence and direction, and it really helps you to develop a personal style. You'll have the chance to go through my personal process and see what fits for you and what doesn't. Because discerning what is for you and what isn't is how we develop our personal style and our personal process. My intention is that you will go back to your studio with new energy, new friends, and a big boost to confidence and direction as you keep going forward in your art career.